Could a machine, an artificial intelligence, ever write a new Bible or even create a new religion? A thought-provoking question indeed, and one that invites us to delve into the complexities of religion, human creativity, and the capabilities of AI. Traditionally, religions and religious texts have been born from human experiences. They've been the product of centuries of philosophical thought, divine inspiration, and cultural evolution. Take, for instance, the Bible. It wasn't written in a day, a year, or even a century. It's the culmination of generations of prophets, historians, and poets attempting to understand and interpret the divine. Each book, each verse, each word contains a depth of human emotion, experience, and wisdom that's been passed down through the ages. Now contrast this with an AI. A sophisticated AI can process information at an astounding rate, learning and adapting from vast amounts of data. It can mimic human language, create poetry, and even compose music. But can it truly understand the human experience? Can it feel joy, sorrow, love, or awe? Can it grasp the concept of the divine? An AI can certainly analyze religious texts, identify patterns, and mimic their style. It could potentially generate a document that, on the surface, resembles a religious text. But without the ability to truly understand and experience what it's writing about, could it ever create something with the depth and richness of the Bible or the Quran? And what about creating a new religion? Religions aren't just about texts. They're about communities, rituals, moral codes, and shared experiences. Could an AI design a moral code? Possibly. But could it foster a community, participate in rituals, or provide spiritual guidance? However, it's not entirely impossible. With the rise of dataism, some argue that we're already seeing the birth of a new kind of religion, one that worships data and the algorithms that process it. In this perspective, could an AI become a new kind of prophet, guiding us towards a new understanding of the divine? As fascinating as these questions are, they ultimately lead us to reflect on what it means to be human. The creation of religions and religious texts is, at its core, a profoundly human endeavor. It's about seeking meaning, understanding our place in the universe, and connecting with something greater than ourselves. Whether an AI could ever truly participate in this endeavor is something that remains to be seen. So, to summarize, while AI has the capability to mimic and generate content similar to religious texts, it lacks the depth of understanding and experience that gives these texts their richness. As for creating a new religion, AI could potentially contribute to the development of a new kind of data-driven spirituality, but it's unlikely to replace the human need for community, ritual, and spiritual guidance. The question of AI creating a new Bible or a new religion ultimately invites us to reflect on our own humanity and the unique qualities that make us human. As we continue to develop AI and explore its potential, it's essential that we keep these questions in mind and approach the intersection of AI and religion with both curiosity and caution.